This is a tutorial video show how wired PIR sensor connect with D9 unit. These red and black wire are power wire. The red and yellow wire will connect with control unit. Connect the red wire with control unit. Connect the yellow wire with control unit. Let us wired PIR sensor configure with D9 unit. Open the setup. Type password. Go to Edit Zones. Open Edit Wired Zones. Select your wired zone. Select your wire type. Select your wire type. Select your zone. Let us test the system.
Come on. Give you family a 24/7 protection with D3D Security Systems. For free advice or quotation, please contact our sales team or visit d3dsecurity.com.